Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to Ryson's Spray Booth. And in this video, I will be talking about 3 auto body and painting secrets that are very hard to reveal. So let's get the video started. Secret number 1, paint mixing. Now paint mixing is in itself a art. Yes, you can find paint mixing ratio written on the tin, or you can even ask the paint shop guy for the paint mixing ratio. But if the mixture which you have put in your spray gun cup is too thin, then while spraying you can easily get paint runs. And if the mixture is too thick, then while you are spraying you can easily get an orange peel. So to find that correct dilution in between is in itself a art. It is a learnable skill and not difficult at all. But some steps you will have to learn. So that was secret number 1. Now let's move on to secret number 2. And secret number 2 is leveling the dents. Now leveling dents is one of the most important topic in auto body and painting. No matter how good finish you acquire and polish it or buff it, but if you did not level your dent properly, then it will show up in your finished paint job and it will ruin your entire finish. When you are a beginner, it is the most difficult topic in auto body and painting to level the dents, but once you get good at it, you can do it very easily in a very short time. So that was secret number 2. Secret number 3 is paint blending. Now paint blending is a huge topic in auto body and painting. Everybody wants to learn paint blending. Paint blending means if there is a dent in a particular spot, you just want to paint only that spot and match it with the surrounding area. Now there is an art behind this, and yes, you can do it. I have done it many times and have acquired a very good finish, which is not noticeable at all. I have created a section specially on this topic, which I will put in my advanced course, which you guys will really love. So those were the 3 secrets of auto body and painting, which are very hard to reveal. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you want to learn auto body and painting seriously, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my next videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.